Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to share few of the websites with you in which you can search for a remote job openings, right? So these days the COVID cases are increasing and you might be looking out for opportunities for remote jobs, and these opportunities are mixed. So if you are looking for a non-IT or an IT job, so you can go through these websites and you can try to search for the remote job, and the earnings will be in US dollars. Right? So let me share my screen. Okay. So these are the 10 websites where you can get the remote jobs and you can earn in US dollars. So one is Flex Jobs. So they have a lot of remote and flexible job opportunities. They make it easier for you to find flexible work arrangements, right? So here is the link, flexjobs.com, right? Next is remote.co. So a lot of companies are posting projects on this website, right? You can find a lot of opportunities also. They also offer advice and best practices for managing remote teams and job listings, right? So their website is their website link is remote.co. Then the third is working nomads, right? So here is the link for the same. And they also have a lot of web opportunities. They have a lot of job opportunities for the remote. If you are looking for the remote job opportunities, so you can go through this website. Then on the same lines, we have We Work Remotely. Okay, in We Work Remotely, you will get many opportunities pertaining to software development, design, marketing, right, testing. So the link is weworkremotely.com. Okay, then Jobspresso. So this is also one of the best website where you can get some job opportunities in marketing, design, customer service. They have also a lot of remote job opportunities. So the link is jobspresso.com. Okay. Then is virtual vocations. So it is related to the job opportunities in healthcare domain, education domain, marketing. So the link is virtualvocations.com. Okay. Then is freelancer.com. So this you would be knowing. This is a well-known website for remote jobs, right? Then Skip the Drive, right? Again, lot of opportunities for software development, customer service, and similar other categories. Skipthedrive.com. And last is peopleperhour.com. So where you can be looking for clients and you want to earn on the hourly basis. So you can find a lot of job opportunities here. Okay. Then there are few companies who are hiring freshers, right? So off campus. So you can see this is the list of companies who are hiring freshers off campus. So you can ignore TCS because they have almost hired everyone. Okay. So here is a link which will directly redirect you to their web page, right? So Nagaro, Virtuosa, Zoho, CGI, F, FIS, Vizzo, Mac, Publicis Sapient, Optum. So a lot of companies are there who are looking for freshers, right? And again, in non-IT as well as in IT role. So don't just search for software testing job in these both sections of the websites. There are many non-IT opportunities also where you can get some good, decent jobs. So try on these websites today itself, apply, and let's hope for the best. Wish you all the best. May you get a lot of calls and you get placed. At least you get some good remote working opportunities using these websites, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.